Okay, guys, let me just get straight to the point. You see, about this reactivation, activation issues of this data acquire using this MTN stuff, it cannot continue like this. Yes, of course, everyone is trying to help other in this support group. The 250 MB referral notification on your profile that serves as an history on which you can click to multiply, to loot the data. It disappears every 24 hours. Are you with me? It disappears every 24 hours. So I'm here to provide you with a lasting solution. See, this is the best way, honestly. Don't let me even cap for you. This is the best way. With this method, you will not be needing anyone's help. You will not be needing anyone's help. You don't need to go to any support group that, okay, my notification has disappeared. Somebody should come and reactivate for me. This and that. No, that must stop. Because at the end of the day, it can't keep on going like this. Everybody will get frustrated and angry at the end of the day. So what is this method? My screen is static for now because I'm not doing anything. Just listen to my explanation. This is the method. You need two MTN SIMs. I'll be showing you two methods in this video. So the first method is you must have two MTN SIMs. Are you with me? Two MTN SIMs. And if you can get two phones or parallel space, I really don't know how, I know how parallel space works, but parallel space is to clone apps. You can watch a YouTube video. On how to use parallel space. Parallel space will allow you to use the same app in one phone. It's just like, okay, we have WhatsApp business, but we can download WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. It's still WhatsApp. But if you want to make use of the WhatsApp app, Google, and you don't want to use WhatsApp business, then you cannot have double apps. Like for example, let me use this. Let me use this as an example. You cannot have Twitter on your phone twice. It's not possible. You can only have one Twitter. But this parallel space will help you to clone the app, so you'll be able to have two MTN apps on one iPhone, on one device. So this is what you do. This is what you do. For you that you're having two phones, well, you are very lucky. But if you are not using two phones, download parallel space. Then watch a YouTube video on how to use it. So this is how it goes. You register one MTN SIM on the on one app on your normal device. Then open the parallel space. The MTN app you cloned, you have cloned it. That's why I said you should watch a YouTube video on how to use parallel space. You register that MTN too. You log in on the MTN app on that too to look like as if you're actually using two phones with same MTN app. So this is how it goes. Somebody from outside will need to activate you first. I don't think you get my point. If somebody from outside can activate you first, then you don't need the person again. What do I mean by activation? The person will link your number to his profile, so the person will be able to make the history of the 250 MB referral appear. You know that we are clicking on that history. That part you are clicking on manage subscriptions is just showing history. It is that history we are using to loot data. Share grab. So somebody from outside has to activate you. So if that has been done, so this is where you now need your own common sense. From here, you don't need anybody's help again. Are you with me? You don't need anybody's help. You just need common sense. So this is how it will work. The person has activated. Let me call one of your SIM. Let me call one of your SIM A. Let me call your second SIM that is on the parallel space that you've cloned the MTN app, SIM B. So SIM A, the person has activated SIM A for you. Make sure that this is done during the day. For example, let me say the person activated SIM A for me 7 o'clock. That's good. Loot data on that SIM A. Loot the data very well. Then when it is around maybe 12 or 2 or 3 o'clock, that your second SIM that is on your other in your parallel space, the other MTN app, link that SIM to your SIM A. Share grab. Link that number to your SIM A. That's good. After you've linked it, you don't have any problem again. So when it is like 3 o'clock, just give like at least 6 hours space. Then activate for your SIM B from your SIM A. I hope I'm not confusing you. Activate for your SIM B because the referral notification disappears every 24 hours. So that means the time your SIM A option will disappear, the referral incentive option to disappear will be different from the time SIM B option referral incentive will disappear. You activated SIM B around 7 o'clock AM, you activated SIM B around 3 o'clock PM. So that means after you've activated for SIM B, now this is where the trick starts. So when it is the next morning, you should know your drill that okay, by the same time you activated someone from outside activated SIM A for you, it was around this time. So by the time you go there, you will not see the notification, the referral incentive. So you will now open your parallel space. The second SIM option will still disappear. At that other time you opened it, like I use mine for example, that will open 3 o'clock. So you now use that SIM B that's in your parallel space to activate for SIM A. I hope you're understanding. So when you now activate for SIM A has the referral incentive option already. So it has taken a new validity period. So when it is now 3 o'clock, the other time you activated SIM B option will now disappear. So you must know by that time too. Don't say you are too busy. You should know your drill. You should know the time you will be doing these stuff every day. So when it is that particular time, use SIM A to activate SIM B. So that's how you'll be doing it. You'll be doing it. Anything that can make you miss your time, that maybe SIM A option has disappeared, you did not quickly know about it, and you did not use SIM B to quickly activate it, and SIM B time to pass again. That means you are back to square one. So let me now start moving my screen. This is my own MTN. Let me see. This is my own MTN app. So I have two numbers, but I'm not using parallel space because I actually have two phones. I have two phones. So I have my phone, I have my MTN app downloaded on my other phone. So I linked it, manage numbers. So it will pop up here as one profile. So they are linked to each other. So when I need, so this is the method I've been using. I don't need anybody's help. I don't need, and this is it unknown. This is my third WhatsApp TV. I don't need this 50 gig. If you are seeing this 50 gig data, you can activate it. It's valid for 24 hours. In fact, the 24 hours is 12 p.m. If you activate it, it's 6 o'clock in the. I'm talking about this one is not about the data. This one is MTN is giving you naturally for downloading the MTN app. If you activate it 6 p.m., it will expire at 12 p.m. in the night. They are giving you data that you cannot use finish. So you can see. So just this one, my this thing disappeared. So my notification disappeared. So I use both of them to help each other, just like with my method. So if I tap on this unknown too, the history of reference incentive is there. So that's just it. So you just keep on looting. So you just have to use your brain to help yourself. This way, you don't need anybody's help again in activation. You just need one-time activation from somebody outside. So far, you've been activated. Just use this method, you go. And second, the second method is that if you know you don't want to use parallel space because you don't have two SIMs. It's only when you have two SIMs you can say, okay, let me use parallel space. If you don't have two SIMs, use your friend, your family, or your neighbor, or let somebody know about this data hack, and both of you will be using each other. I said this during our live chat on Telegram. Both of you will be using each other. When this one expires, that will activate for you. When your own expires, you activate for her. Chain grab. You will activate this data for your neighbor. Then you also are having the distance. When your options disappear, you will use your neighbor's one to activate your own, or your family, or whatever. So you have to, that means you need to have someone that I know that, okay, so this is somebody that I can get access to every day. We are together every day. So that's the second method. So for you guys that don't know how to activate or reactivate, why I'm saying activate is that anybody that just go this course for me, I'm activating them for the first time. After that first time, if they need reactivation, I don't do that again. I've provided the solution. So reactivation means you've been activated before, but you need to reactivate. So that's just it. So this method helps a lot too. I'm not going to, if at least what's today is Monday, at least by Wednesday everybody should be okay. Everybody should be okay. I will not be activating. I will only be activating for newbies. You guys should go to that support group and help yourself. I know that if you have helped somebody like this, the person should be ready to carry his or her body with this method. You don't need anyone again. So it's simple as ABC. So that's it, guys.